Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am on board of my motorcycle, my Honda DN01. Again, this is the good way to do reviews. I can rest my back here on this backrest, and I'm going to show you my new setup for Motovlog, and it includes the Dango Design Gripper Mount, which I already have a review. If you want to check the review, it will be up here somewhere, the link for you to check the review. And it's by far the most innovative piece that I have on this setup. Basically, it releases my helmet from having more stickers, GoPro stickers and GoPro mounts, so I can put cameras. With this gripper, I can install it anywhere I want in the helmet. I can put it here on the front, I can put it on the sides, I can put it here on the back, and the camera, it's always moving. I don't have mounts. I like this system very much. Another thing with this system, it depends of your camera. In this case, I'm using the new Osmo Action 2. I'm testing it. It's 90% done. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it is working. You can switch the angle of the camera quite easily just by pressing, rotating. You can put it sideways or pressing again. You can put it down, and as you can see, you don't need to be worried with installing extra bundles and extra accessories. Only one piece does everything, and this one, it's changed the way my helmets look now. Because if I want to ride normal ride, casual ride, I don't want to record anything, I just remove the microphone from here inside, I remove the gripper, and now I have my helmet normal without anything extra weight, whatever it is, except the intercom, which I have here, which is the Packtalk bolt. But besides that, I can wear it. Then I decide, in the middle of the ride, I decide, well, maybe I want to record something. I just put it back. Look how easy it is. Put the microphone inside. Done. Less than 10 seconds, and I have the setup ready. Okay, so this is the most useful thing that I found for my Motovlog setup. This is just to show you how it works. If you like it, like I said, there's a review of it. Osmo Action 2, it's the camera that I'm using at the moment. I tried the GoPro 10 with the media mod. I couldn't get a clear sound with that. So the good thing about GoPro is that we have the 30 days where you can return it. I return it, they send me all the money back. No complaint, nothing to say about them, works perfectly, GoPro. For that, I recommend 30 days money back guarantee, it works fine. Then I bought this one on Amazon Prime Day, really cheap, reasonable, almost half price, okay? Just so you guys have an idea. And it only works with an adapter, but it is a $15 adapter, okay? It's a USB-C adapter like this one. This is the Boya MK4 or something like that. It's a TRS, USB to TRS adapter, and it's all that you need. With the GoPro, I need the GoPro, which is like 400 euros. Then I have to buy the media mod, which is another 70 or 80 euros. It's too expensive. This one, 14 euros adapter, and I fixed my problem almost. I'm still catching a little bit wind, and I'm trying to figure out what is happening. But if all the tests that I've been doing, it will work, this will be my final setup. I'm enjoying it. DJI Osmo Action, it's small, it's compact. I do have the dual screen. I do have that thermic cover that the DJI sends because of the overheating issues. I don't have overheating issues because I do short periods of recording, so I don't complain about that. And the helmet is here, motorcycle, the jacket, it's over there because it's too hot to be recording with the jacket, and I'm just going to enjoy a little ride with all this equipment. I just wanted to show you my setup. Maybe you can take some ideas from this setup. Maybe not, it depends, whatever you want to do. I think it's worth I think this is 40 something euros, 49 euros, I think. I don't know, maybe something like that. You can see on the review the actual price, and if you like it, please buy one, and I'm sure you will be very happy with this system. Having said this, guys, don't forget also subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!